Hello. So today we're going to be going over the problem of a highway being built between two towns. So if the first town is here, we're going to go down south 36.4 kilometers, and we're going to go to the west 76.4 kilometers to town 2, which is going to leave us with a nice little triangle. So with right triangles, we know that a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So we'll label this C. And then 36.4 squared plus 76.4 squared is going to equal c squared. After doing the math on those, we get 1,324.96 plus 5,836.96 is equal to c squared. So we get that c is going to equal the square root of the sum of these, so we get c equals about 84.6 kilometers. And I did make the mistake of not putting my units throughout. I'm very sorry about that. But we have the kilometers here. We're going to end with kilometers here. So this is going to be our answer for part A of what is the shortest length that the highway can be built between the towns. So now we're going to move on to B, which is at what angle would the highway be directed as a positive angle with respect due west? That would be this angle here. And we know from trig functions that opposite over adjacent is going to be tangent. So to find tangent theta is going to equal 36.4 kilometers, 76.4 kilometers. And our trig functions also state that tangent theta is equal to this, but arctan of our answer is going to equal theta. We get that theta, get arctan of about 0.476 is equal to theta, and theta is going to equal about 25.5 degrees. And that was the answer to B. At what angle would the highway be directed? Thank you.